My name is Howard Rabb. I'm a partner at Dworkin & Bernstein, and I do our estate planning work. A lot of people ask why they need a will or whether they need a will, and the answer is sometimes you do and sometimes you don't. But very often when you have children or you have money that you need to leave to somebody, the best way to do it is just through the old-fashioned mechanism of a will. What a will does is it allows you to dispose of the things that you own in an orderly fashion when you pass away, and allows your family to be able to know what you wanted. When people have children, they want to either leave money to those children or they want to make sure that somebody is taking care of the kids. If you want to leave money to a child, that has to be done in a certain way, and you can accomplish that with trust language inside of a will. Not a specific trust, but trust language inside of a will. That's usually how we make sure that that takes place. As far as taking care of the children is concerned, we can make sure that you tell the court who it is that you want that guardian to be. And so the most important thing to remember is when you have children, a will is an absolute necessity. Another major reason that you'll hear people talk about trust is in order to avoid probate. And what you do in order to avoid probate is place the things that you own inside of a trust that we form, which is basically a contract between the person writing it and the person that is the trustee, in order to take care of those assets for them, so that when they pass away, automatically under the terms of the trust, without going through probate court, those assets pass to somebody else under certain terms. A living will is typically signed along with a healthcare power of attorney. What that document does is it tells the hospital and it tells whoever it is you've appointed as your healthcare power of attorney what your wishes are at the point that you can't speak for yourself. The nice thing about the documents that I typically have my clients sign are that they're revocable. And what that means is they can be changed or they can be terminated at any time and replaced completely with other documents that do something completely different when a year, 5 years, or 10 years from now you change your mind. So what we do is we sit down with people, we find out what they want to do now, and we make sure that the documents that we prepare reflect that. At Dworkin & Bernstein, our most important thing is to make sure that you are taking care of your family and that you are communicating to your loved ones what your wishes are when you can't communicate for yourself.